Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat, and today I finally got my Wet n Wild Crystal Cavern PR box in the mail. This thing is huge. This is the size of the box, and it comes with all of the makeup and the perfume, lip glosses, everything is in this box. I believe it was $49. I will leave the price of everything in the description box below. So let's look at everything in here, and I'll try some of the stuff on. So this is what the top of the box looks like, and it says, discover the beauty of crystals and get in touch with your most powerful self with the new Wet n Wild limited edition Crystal Cavern collection. Channel positive energy through uplifting multi-dimensional hues and fragrances inspired by rose quartz, clear quartz, amethyst, and jade. These crystals bring love, healing, balance, and prosperity into your life. It's nothing short of magical. Then it has all the social media tags on the bottom. I love that it's got the holographic through the box. So clear quartz is for healing, amethyst is for balance, jade is for prosperity, and rose quartz is for love. I'm not the biggest, I don't know that much about crystals. They're pretty, but I don't know, like, what their healing properties and all that stuff is. I'm not really into, like horoscopes and that kind of stuff. I find it interesting, but yeah, I don't follow it or any of that stuff. Don't have anything against people who, do it every day or whatever, but excuse me, let me take a sip of ginger ale. So yeah, not really a big knowledge on crystals, but this collection looks so cool. I wanted to grab it. I mean, I have every single Wet n Wild collection for a long time back. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Brightening Rocks, and it says it's in the color Infinity Stones. They're kind of like those Guerlain beads that you don't get that many of them, and I don't want to dump it over too much so they spill out, but there are beads in there and they are shimmery. So I guess it's like a highlighter or maybe an illuminating powder. Well, we're going to try everything on, so we'll see what the deal with that is. Then the next thing we have is this Mega Glow Face Mist in Aurora Booster, so it's probably like a shimmery face mist. My skin is a little dry, so let's try this. I like the smell of it. I can't pinpoint it, but and right now my skin is still damp, so I can't judge if that's from the spray being wet or if it's gonna give me an illuminating, dewy look. Okay, it didn't, the sprayer was nice. It didn't, you know, leave any weird drops. The next thing we have is this highlight in Crystal High, the Mega Glow highlighter. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, which is really cool. You get 3.4 grams or 0.12 ounces, so you get a decent amount of product. And when you open it, you get, okay, I'm guessing this is a cream because you get a little plastic piece that is protecting it. And let's just take that to what's on the oh wow, that's gorgeous. This kind of reminds me of the Fenty How Many Carats and the clear Heaven's Dew from Stila. It reminds me of that. It's kind of like that putty texture, and you can see the shine there. That is very, very shiny. So we will try that on. I'm still letting the spray dry. I just got home from work, so if I'm a little absent-minded, it's late at night, and I just got home from the club, so yeah, I had a few shots before I came home, but at least I'm not slurring or anything. So we have 4 perfumes, 4 lip glosses, and 4 eyeshadow palettes. Let's look at the lip glosses. This is, what color is this one? This is, I think, clear quartz. This perfume, I noticed with the perfume, they come with like a quarter, what is that, like, no, that's like more of like an an inch of product missing, and this is in all of the perfumes. This one smells like coconut. I did test this one out. I didn't try on the lip gloss. The lip gloss, I think they're more like lip toppers because they're all very glittery. This is a clear white glitter with a blue iridescence. That's it right there. That's the clear quartz one. Then we have, they've got these in this box pretty good. Then we have amethyst. Amethyst is more like a pigmented gloss, but you could use it over a nude or something, or a gloss you wanted to kick it up with. That's amethyst. Then let me see what this perfume smells like. These are roll-on balls, and as you can see, this is missing product too. I don't know off the top of my head how much these are. I think these are like $5 or $6, and even though that's not a lot of money, I want my product filled all the way to the top. Alright, I've got to let that dry so I can, not my favorite. It kind of smells like soap to me. I have allergies right now, so my sense of smell might not be the greatest. The next group we have is Jade, and this lip gloss is gorgeous. I love this green color. Do a swatch of that. That's gorgeous. It's got blue and green reflex in it. That's it right there. See, there in the shift you can kind of see the different colors. And then the jade perfume smells like I like the way this smells. It smells very clean, like after the rain or something. I like that scent. And then the last lip gloss perfume set we have is Rose Quartz. You can buy all this stuff individually, but I always go for the PR packages because I'm gonna buy everything from the collection. I've been pretty good with not being a completist with collections, but Wet n Wild is one of the companies that I always will pick up the PR box and get everything from them. So this is what the lip gloss lip topper in Rose Quartz looks like. And then that is the swatch. You could wear it alone or over a lip gloss. And then the perfume, again, missing product. I know they're inexpensive, but still Wet n Wild. Perfume, especially like this, goes really fast. This has that, the Rose Quartz, obviously, I guess it's kind of like supposed to be a rose florally scent, but like I said, my allergies are really bad. Okay, so we have 4 eyeshadow quads, and each eyeshadow quad is one of the stones. So this is the Rose Quartz Trio. In this one you get a satin shimmer and 2 like pressed glitter foil shadows, and let me swatch them. So on the finger, that's what they look like, and then let me swatch. Wow, the foiled ones are really pretty. So that's what they look like. And then that's what the satin one looks like. That one definitely is not as shiny as the other two. Then we have Jade, which is obviously going to be green themed ones. We get a duochrome, a shimmer, and a metallic foiled one. So let's swatch these, and I will do a look with one of these. Okay, so that olive one is not swatching, and I dug in there. On my finger, I got it. It's right there, but when I went to swatch it, that's all that came out. But the other two are really pretty, which is kind of disappointing because I wanted to use the green one. Next we have the amethyst one, and okay, the next one we have is the amethyst, which is a shimmer, 2 shimmers, and a foil. Let's hope that these shimmers aren't lackluster like the green. So far, so good. Uh-oh. The light purple one, again, this is swatches, so on the eyes, it could be different. That is the purple. The foiled one is really pretty. This is, I had to swatch these a few times, so these do have to be built up. So we'll see how those perform on the eye. And then the last one we have is clear quartz, and this is a neutral palette. And these are all basically shimmers. They're all swatching nicely so far. Where am I gonna... Okay, so those ones are decent. It's this one, and this one are the clear quartz ones. So those are pretty. Those show up really well. So I'm actually thinking I'm going to break it up with doing looks with each of the palettes and using everything. So this video will just be the swatches, and I will put up a video of me using all of the products so you guys can see if you want to spend your money on that or not. But I wanted to get this up quickly. So this is just swatches showing you unboxing, and I will have the demo try-ons up very quickly, so you can decide if you want to purchase this. I have so much stuff. I have my Magic Star powders and concealers got here, and I got 3 concealer colors, 2 powder colors. I've got some stuff from the Sephora VIB sale. I told you I have the Bombshell Cosmetica stuff. I have the Blush Tribe stuff. I got my Smoke Sessions palette from Melt, so I have a lot, and I have so much more makeup to share with you guys, and I've got some really cool dupes to share with you, and I want to share with you guys, I did get fooled on Etsy for a James Charles palette, and the dupe that tricked me was actually a pretty good dupe. It's not the one that James Charles showed in his video, so I am going to do a video showing you how to compare other, fakes of palettes that are going around that are better quality and stuff. So I will be back with the demonstration of how all of these Wet n Wild products look on my face. So thank you for watching this unboxing, and come back for the looks I will do with the eyeshadow palettes. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, YouTube. See you in the next one. Bye.